Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel A Big Part. Today, we are starting a fascinating journey into a life-changing book called The Defining Decade, Why Your Twenties Matter, and How to Make the Most of Them Now by Meg Jay. If you are in your 20s or even just curious about making the most out of this critical phase of life, this book is a must-read. But before we dive into the chapters, let me share why this book is so important and what makes it a powerful guide for anyone seeking clarity, purpose, and success during their 20s. Hello and welcome back to my channel A Big Part. We've been diving deep into The Defining Decade by Meg Jay, exploring how to make the most of your 20s. In the last chapter, we talked about the concept of identity capital, the skills, experiences, and relationships that define who you are and help you stand out. Today, we are moving on to Chapter 7, The Strength of Weak Ties. This chapter uncovers a surprising secret about how opportunities often come from unexpected connections. Let's get started. Chapter 7, The Strength of Weak Ties. In this chapter, Meg Jay introduces the concept of weak ties, people who are not in your close circle of friends or family, but who can have a powerful impact on your life and career. She explains how these connections often open doors to opportunities that your closest relationships might not provide. What are weak ties? Definition: weak ties are acquaintances, colleagues, distant friends, or even strangers you meet in professional or social settings. These are people you don't interact with regularly but who can offer new perspectives, ideas, and opportunities. Examples of weak ties: a former coworker you follow on LinkedIn, a friend of a friend you meet at a party, someone you met briefly at a networking event or conference. Why are weak ties important? They expand your network. Weak ties connect you to people and opportunities beyond your immediate circle. While your close friends often share the same contacts and resources as you, weak ties can introduce you to entirely new networks. They provide fresh opportunities. Many people find jobs, internships, or business opportunities through weak ties rather than close friends. These connections bring fresh ideas and resources you wouldn't otherwise have access to. They encourage growth. Interacting with weak ties pushes you out of your comfort zone. These connections often challenge your thinking and encourage you to explore new paths. Key lessons from Chapter 7. Don't underestimate acquaintances. Meg Jay emphasizes that weak ties often play a more significant role in shaping your career and life than your close friends or family. Opportunities like job offers, collaborations, or mentorships often come from weak ties. Be open to networking. Networking is not just about building a massive circle of contacts, it's about maintaining meaningful relationships with people outside your immediate circle. Leverage weak ties strategically. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter to stay connected with weak ties. Attend events, workshops, or meetups to expand your network. Practical tips to strengthen weak ties. Stay in touch. Send a quick message or email to former colleagues, classmates, or distant friends to check in occasionally. Even small gestures, like commenting on their LinkedIn posts, can keep the connection alive. Be helpful. Offer help or advice to your weak ties when they need it. This builds goodwill and increases the likelihood that they'll think of you when an opportunity arises. Expand your circles. Attend networking events, seminars, or community gatherings. Push yourself to meet new people and strike up conversations. Follow up after events. If you meet someone interesting at an event, follow up with a message or email. Express your interest in staying connected and finding ways to collaborate or help each other. Real-life story: the job opportunity. Meg Jay shares the story of a client who found her dream job through a weak tie. A distant friend introduced her to someone in the industry, which led to an interview and eventually a job offer. This story highlights the importance of maintaining connections and being open to opportunities from unexpected places. The strength of weak ties lies in their ability to connect us to new networks, ideas, and opportunities. While close relationships are essential for support and companionship, weak ties are often the gateway to growth and success. That's it for Chapter 7 of the Defining Decade. Think about your own weak ties, people you've met briefly but haven't stayed in touch with. Could any of these connections help you achieve your goals? What steps can you take to strengthen these relationships? In the next chapter, we'll explore the concept of the customized life and how to design a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Don't miss it. If you are enjoying this series, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel A Big Part. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome back to my channel A Big Part. We are continuing our deep dive into The Defining Decade by Meg Jay, a book that's all about making the most of your 20s. In the last chapter, we explored the power of weak ties, those distant connections that can lead to surprising opportunities. Today, we'll be discussing Chapter 8, The Customized Life. This chapter focuses on how you can create a life that truly reflects your unique values, goals, and priorities. Let's get started. Chapter 8, The Customized Life. In this chapter, Meg Jay challenges the idea of following a predefined script for life. Instead, she encourages readers to think critically about their choices and design a life that aligns with who they are and what they want to achieve. What is a customized life? Definition: a customized life is one that is intentionally designed based on your own values, goals, and preferences, not what society, friends, or family expect of you. Breaking the script. Many people feel pressured to follow traditional paths, such as getting a certain job, marrying by a certain age, or living in a particular city. A customized life means breaking away from these societal scripts and creating a unique path. Key lessons from Chapter 8. Be intentional about your choices. Meg Jay emphasizes that every choice you make, whether it's your career, relationships, or lifestyle, should be intentional and meaningful to you. Avoid drifting through life by following what others expect or what feels easiest. Question the default path. Just because everyone else is doing something doesn't mean it's right for you. For example, if you don't want to work a traditional 9-to-5 job or live in a big city, that's okay. Find what works for you. Balance flexibility and stability. A customized life doesn't mean being completely unstructured. It's about finding a balance between flexibility and stability, so you can adapt to new opportunities while staying true to your values. Steps to design a customized life. Clarify your values. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you, your passions, interests, and long-term goals. Ask yourself, what kind of life would make me happy and fulfilled? Set personal goals. Define clear goals for different areas of your life, such as career, relationships, health, and personal growth. These goals should reflect your unique priorities, not societal expectations. Take small steps. Start by making small, intentional changes in your daily routine or decision-making process. For example, if you value creativity, dedicate time each week to a creative project. Embrace risk. Designing a customized life often involves taking risks, such as pursuing an unconventional career or moving to a new city. Meg Jay encourages readers to embrace these risks as part of the process. Seek feedback. Talk to mentors, friends, or professionals who can provide guidance and support as you design your life. They can offer valuable insights and help you stay on track. Real-life story: The Lawyer Who Loved Art. In this chapter, Meg Jay shares the story of a young lawyer who realized that her true passion was art. She felt trapped in a career that didn't align with her values. With guidance, she started exploring ways to incorporate her love of art into her life. Eventually, she transitioned to a career in art law, a field that combined her legal skills with her passion. This story highlights the importance of aligning your career and lifestyle with your true interests and values. Living a customized life means designing a path that reflects your unique identity and aspirations. It's about being true to yourself and making intentional choices, rather than following societal norms or expectations. That's it for Chapter 8 of The Defining Decade. Think about your own life. Are you following a script, or are you creating a customized path that reflects your values and goals? What small changes can you make today to move closer to the life you truly want? In the next chapter, we'll discuss picking your family, a thought-provoking topic about relationships and building a strong support system. If you are enjoying this series, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel A Big Part. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.